Hey everyone, Alex here, and today I want to show you my favorite free PDF editor, PDFill free PDF tools. And on this app, you can edit, combine, split, encrypt, rotate, crop, and convert PDF files amongst 14 other tools. But today, we will focus on combining PDF files. And best of it all, it's entirely free. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is head over to this website right over here, and the link is going to be in the description. So once you click that, you're going to want to download PDFill free PDF tools. And to do so, you're just going to click download now. Alright, so now that it's downloaded, we're going to hit open file. So here we are on the PDFill setup wizard page. We can just click next right down here and then accept the terms in the license agreement and then click next. And then here we have three options for PDFill PDF editor. And today we're going to focus on the second one right here in the middle, free PDFill PDF tools, no watermark. So we can just select this and then click next. And then we're going to choose a folder location to install this application on. And the default one right here is perfectly fine with mine, but feel free to browse whichever folder you'd like to download this in. And then I'm going to click next. And then we're going to just click install. Alright, so here we have it. PDFill is done installing, so we can just hit finish. And if it doesn't open up automatically after installing, you can come to the bottom left of your screen right here where the 4 squares are, the Windows logo. And then go in your application list and scroll down all the way to P for PDFill. And then you're gonna click PDFill PDF tools free. Hit that and it'll open up. So as you can see, there are many PDF tools that you can use, but today we're gonna focus on combining and or merging PDF files. So if we come right over here and click merge PDF files, the first one, and then hit add a PDF file and go to our selected folder where we have the PDF files that we want to merge. I have 3 samples right over here that I got off of Google. So I'm just gonna select one and then select the 2 others and open them. And now that we've uploaded these 3 PDF files to our app, we can sort them in whatever way we want. So let's say that we want sample 1 to be the first page in our document. We can just click right over here to the right, move up, and then move up again. And then let's say we want sample 2 to be the second. We're just gonna click move up once. And then you have all your PDF files arranged or sorted in whatever way you want. And now I'm gonna name this PDF file or document as merged PDF files sample. And then I'm just gonna click save. So now that we've saved them, we're gonna head over to our File Explorer, the yellow icon on the bottom of our screen here on the taskbar. And then we're gonna head over to the folder that we saved these combined PDF files. And then I'm gonna select the file that I just combined. Mine is named merge PDF files sample. And then I'm just gonna double click it to open it. And once it opens up, I'm gonna have all my 3 PDF files that I combined all in one document. All 11 pages are saved here on my computer for free as a PDF file. So as you can see, I'm scrolling through and I have all my sample PDF files saved in one document. And there you have it, guys, a very simple, straightforward tutorial on how to combine and or merge PDF files for free. And if you like this video, make sure to like it, comment down below if you have any questions, share it, and subscribe with notifications on so you get notified when I make a new video on all these other PDF tools. That'll be it for me today, guys. Have a nice day.